You will keep the original part and then you add a new chapter to the house. My name is John Liu. I'm an architect. I'm the director of Inbetween architecture. Welcome to my house. We decided to embark on renovation. What drew us to this house originally was a really humble cottage house with really beautiful, secluded, north-facing backyard. It was tacky, beige, everything, pink carpet, floral curtains and chandelier. But for us, we saw something in the house that was beyond the superficial. Really good natural light. The space was not big, but really felt comfortable. When you arrive at the house, what you see from outside is the extension which we deliberately kept like a concrete render box. Between the junction of the two houses is the entry space. When you open the front door, you immediately open to the view of the backyard. There's the bench seats, which we use a lot. At one end of the corridor is the new master bedroom suite. The other end of the corridor is the original house, which has the bedrooms on one side and open living and dining at the other end. The extension itself, we added a master bedroom suite, and linking this new bedroom suite with the original house is a corridor. We asked the question, can the corridor be more than just a corridor that you come in and move on? What we've done was added a bench seats which match the existing floor height, and then we stepped the new floor down by 2 steps. So when we design, we always think about what's happening outside. So we want to make sure that every space, even though inside, that it has something to look out to. With the landscaping of our own place, it really brings a softness to the house, especially against the concrete render extension. And with the backyard, we planted a few silver birch, which is kind of creating a really lovely filter to the neighbor's house, provide shading in summer and allow in sunlight in winter. The entry space and the use of bench seats has been a really successful outcome of this project, which we continually try to do variations of it on projects when it fits. There's enough flexibility to it that it's like just creating a stage and then for the occupant to do whatever they want to perform. It is a very humble house, with very minimal features, but there's something about just the quietness and the humbleness that really we cherish, and we really enjoy being in this space.